Alright, bullet journal week 3. This one involves mostly washi tape and is good if you don't like doing your own doodles. I found these washi tape stickers at Walmart. There were 3 rolls in a pack, and each one was a different color of flower petals. And the petals can be overlapped together to make realistic looking flowers. So I'm starting by putting 3 flowers made of 5 petals each up in the top corners of the bullet journal spread. And then, after I have all of those made, which took no time at all and already looks pretty good, I added some petals on each side as if they were falling off the bush or tree or whatever these flowers are supposed to be attached to. And then I put a border of petals along the bottom to look like a pile of fallen petals. I also wrote May week 3 at the top between the 2 clusters of flowers. Next, I broke out some washi tape and divided the pages into sections. You can do this either with washi tape, or if you don't have any, a Crayola super tip is about the same width as this tape. So later I underlined the names of the days of the week with one, and it looks like I used more washi tape. So you can definitely go either way. Anyway, I added the names of the days of the week at the top of each column. Saturday and my notes section having shorter columns this week because of the design, but it shouldn't be that big of a deal. I also add the numbers of the days at the bottom of each column just so they're present and accounted for. Then all that's left is the quote across the top. This one is from John Lennon: "Love is the flower you gotta let grow." And yeah, that's all for this week's spread. It was a surprisingly simple one, I know, but I think it turned out pretty even with the minimal effort. Please like and subscribe if you want more fun bullet journal spread ideas, and until next time, I'll see y'all later.